This is the HP Varmint.25 caliber. This one has the aluminum bottle 500cc tank. 3600 fill. Same thing, same box. Different gun. Okay. Brand new. That's how it looks. Has a 24-inch barrel. Okay, let's take it out. Ten-shot magazine. Comes with one fill probe, O-rings. Alrighty. Nice looking gun. Weighs about the same as the other one, the semi-auto. This has a 500cc air tank. The other one has a 400cc air tank. Same thing. See if I can put this together real quick for you. These guns are really light. They're not too heavy. I gotta adjust this. Okay. Basically how this works. This is your barrel. You have these little grooves here. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Got your O-rings. What you're gonna do is you're gonna slide them right in here. Take these out. I'll make sure I put it in there right. It might help if I pull this out. It's a safety pin. It'll go right in. Just line up the holes. There's 3 of them. Just like that. There it goes. Okay, there we go. Wow. There we go. Okay. Trying to be pretty quick with this. I don't want to bore nobody. Okay. Just make them tight. You ain't gonna make them super tight. They're not gonna go nowhere. There we go. And you have a safety pin. Basically, just slides right in here. Well, you gotta tap it to get it in there. I'm not gonna put it in there. I need to use a rubber mallet to tap it. I don't wanna mess up the gun. So basically it goes right through there and you gotta push it, tap it right in, it comes right back out. Very simple. And then you put your shroud on. Just like that. Screws right in. Just like that. Tight it down until it stops. Perfect. And this is, that's the gun. Same thing, pressure gauge. Your fill port goes in here. Same thing with the cocking. Very easy to cock this one. Pull the trigger, let the hammer down, it decocks it. It's got your safety and fire mode. Very simple. And it does have this again. So you can, I don't know if you can put it in a backpack, maybe set it down like this, the barrel's gonna hang out, but yeah, it's a nice looking gun. Okay. If you, let's see here, we'll put it right here. Let me go get the other one. Okay, I want to compare the two HP, the carbine, and the Varmint. The links. The HP carbine has a 14-inch barrel, 400cc air tank. This one's semi-auto. Everything is identical to this one. To this one, it's just longer, and one is not semi-auto. This one has a 24-inch barrel, a 500cc air tank. This one's in 25, but you can get it in 22. They do make it in 30 caliber as well. You get a 10-round magazine in both of them. You have the folding stock, which goes in here. I'm not going to put it in here, but you have the little button you just mash and it folds it back up under here. Very simple, very easy to work. This one here has a receiver. Locks down like this one. Obviously this one you just cock it back and then you just squeeze the trigger as many times as you want. The decock them is the same way. You got to pull this back, pull your trigger, release it, and you're safe. So you got the semi-auto, 14-inch barrel, 400cc air tank, or you got the standard 25 with the 500cc aluminum bottle and a 24-inch barrel. And that is the two. You can see the difference in the length size as well from the air tank and the barrel. Great guns. They're very nice. They're very well built.